Yeah, yeah, yeah. My loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. If it's your first time tuning into one of my videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. As you guys can see from today's title is this hair tutorial. This afro puff hair ponytail. So I'm sure you're excited about this video as I am. So without me wasting your time, let's get right to this video.
Yo, B, they ready.
So loves, I washed my hair today, and I'm gonna spray my hair with this water so that it can be soft. You know, Fauxy hair can be hard sometimes, and it can also be hard to manage. So I'll be also using this Cantu shea butter leave-in conditioner to make sure that it's also. So guys, this product is good for repairing your hair, and it's also good to use when you're about to style your hair. So I'll be using this eco styling gel on my hairs to make sure that the bun that I'm about to do is in place.
God's been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up. Bad thing with them bitches, I don't get it, you're a scholar. There's a lot of bad things that they wishing to me. Shouldn't have to deal with it. I never make you feel like that, 'cause our love may enough for the both of us.
So guys, I'm not going to be explaining this part much, because you guys can see that I'm applying the styling gel on my hair so that whenever I'm about to tie my bun upwards, everything.
Keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't want to die for them to miss me. I guess I see the things that they be wishing on me. I hope I got some sisters that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, she was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good, sometimes I don't, yeah. I finesse down with the road, yeah, from this. Might go down to G.O.D., yeah.
So loves, just in case you want to purchase the products that I use on my hair, I'll link them down in the description box where you can purchase them. So I'm about to wrap my head with this duck to set the styling gel.
I tell him only partly. I only live my bed and my mama. I'm sorry.
So as you guys can see, I applied makeup off camera, so I wanted to look cute and stuff. And I'll be installing this afro puff ponytail. And just in case you guys want to purchase this afro puff ponytail, comment down below. I'll link you guys where I bought this. So last, just in case I forget to write everything down in the description box, please remind me in the comment section. I will link to where I purchased the ponytail. So I'll be using this perfect touch curling mousse to activate the curls on this afro puff. So you guys can see I'm also excited about installing this puff ponytail. If y'all knew what song I was listening to, y'all will also be jamming with me right now.
I've been moving calm, no start no trouble me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me.
So guys, this afro puff has a drawstring. As you guys can see, I'm wrapping it around my bun. So guys, this afro puff has two combs that can hold this afro puff the whole day so that it doesn't move. So last, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that now. It's free and it doesn't take any of your time. Look at that, she's pretty, she looks good, she smells good even.
So guys, this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoy it because I feel so gorgeous. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.